Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kameghalaya Estimate Committee minta kesengi kahnyo tarik unai luar arajar apulai. Kala Hiar Jurip ya ka Jaka Pule ITI kabren hakasno Sakwang Southwest Khasi Hills. Ya kani ke Estimate Committee hakani kesengi lalam khmado ba Mineral Bonds AM MLA kanong po constituency ubade chairman ko committee haringkat kajinga danang ki hinyong wat ki wepat ki MLA bade ki dekhot jong ani ko committee ki bakan thop yu ba renikton ning do tongkhar MLA ka mau kerwan ba Edelbert Nongrom MLA ka Not Shillong ba Wailat Miki Shila MLA ka Jawai MLA ka Selsela u Arvin Stone bi Marang ka MLA ka Ampati Miani di Shira u MLA ka Rambrai Jerngam u Remington Gabriel Moment baru ba Daman ba Lamare MLA ka Umroy constituency. Nakalian ke Estimate Committee hadiin ke jing Hiar Jurip kelapan pawi ke jing semua komen ke bakraw ban lap ba ke jing pentrai ya kini ke Jaka Pule kalong ke ba job ha ke ba shispa na ke shispa la de ban pentrai ya ka margila airu ke jing ero yu kontraktor u balala ban pendap ya kini ke jing tai ha ke por ke ba biang bar ke basa mentah kalong satang ban penbiang ya ke ombam omdi bar ke boarding elektrik. The Estimate Committee hakini ke singkal ai khublai kerpang ru ya ke senong Sakwang ke bala ai sngob hai ke Jaka bantai kini ke Jaka Pule. Kabadai ka Shlam IG hikai kaman sa IG mentoy ki kena samla ka Southwest Khasi Hills District.
We would like to express our sincere thanks to the landowner or the community who have donated land for the common of I. Nagasino, yeah, I saw free of cost. Publish good nagamunta yung lomba yung surgar ng ay kubli do barsinong baro. Di bala no subahay kini Jaka dunay ka sa wakar malumala sa lumbutan ya ka bala ay subahay kini Jaka do kanan nagabantaban sinay kini ITI disibuni tiba baka committee gitu fi baro. But at the same time special thanks to the department employment and craftsmen and then the PUD building being the implementing agency and the committee observed. And we find out that it is quite satisfactory that the work is always 100% completed as per the record. You have seen the administrative block and you have seen the rooms where the practical will be held here, and you have seen the surrounding fencing also has been completed, even the compound has been properly made. So the committee is happy to see, and we also do give thanks to the contractor also, Singh, who has completed the work. We hope to see that another issue that is still left to make it full functional, as we have said in our inspection inside, where the external electrification at the same time water supply need to be in place, and also manpower is already in place for sanctioning of manpower now. And we would like to see that as soon as possible from the committee also will submit a report, and if there is any issue from the department concerned that you want to flag off, any issue with regards to the completion of this project, you can flag off now. We'll take cognizance of the issue that will be raised here in front of us, and also other issue from the PUD building also if there is any issue, and also from the district administration also. So on this note, and we are happy to see that all the 5 trades that has been prepared to be made fully functional here. We'll hope to see the light of the day. Kani kalong ujung mentoy nagamantagi pa iba ang sunsunong jong the Southwest Khasi Hills District hakaba kungkawi di district kiba bad aslam tham no aslam aragar khatar bala ligen di district pemantah layo kani ITI kaba itna nang pagjing mentoy jeng ki kun samla jong dong bagathan ban training yalade hakini ki santli kini snatrikam kibaka department jongka employment and craftsmen lade bantu kene ka Jaka kumbala apa sutu kini ki trade ki beran hangni ki nagamanta ka surface ornamentation technique with embroidery sujan nang ta kini ki wireman ban sinalan nangta kenika OACP kenika full form kenika mungkin Office Assistant Computer Program nangta kapasau kenika multimedia animation special effect nangta kapasan kenika driver mechanic kini kita samla yo ban kijing kai ba per nang ni kan long kijing mentoy na ka banta jong ki nong chong chnong jong kan ne ka district ka bi ki jong ni south west kasihil apo jong ne hat headquarter mau kerwat apo jong Sakwang nang ni di kalong kijing kemen ka ba komiti ka bingawan ka ne ka por mi na bi so kemen bang yi ba ka kam ka ya step ka deploy ba de kita yo sti gidang dan kino ki banta ki ba kwa ban pun snow yang department yang ka implementing agency yang senong ru kita ter nak yang lokal yang ini ba training kum trying presnong ni kin senong di we ban adin haswa bakin yo mission menta gitu honorable member also you can participate by advice or any issue you want.
Institution here has come up to the stage that we are here today at the stage of completion of the construction. I'm very, very happy to express my sincere thanks to the department for sanctioning this project, this institution out here, the Pule building, for executing this work properly, and the contractor as well. Even though we understand that there are some remaining part that is to take over, the contractor to hand over to the Pule building and building to hand over to the department. So this remaining part, I will request you to process and to complete as early as possible. We want to see the light of the day, and that is to function this institute. Our students from here, they are still taking the learning from outside the district as of today, and we are hopeful that as soon as this institute starts from here, you will get many students who would like to join here, and I know that you will have the space will not be sufficient to accommodate all the students. Therefore, I want to request once again that let us work together to ensure that we start functioning this institute as early as possible and as planned. We understand that there are some reasons, some excuses that we may say that we still need electricity, we still need water supply, but I want to tell you one thing, that you will not get 100% to have everything at one go. Therefore, let us bear with all these insufficient things that are still there, short the basic needs that are still there, because we know that we will be able to complete to get everything only when we have staff in place out here, because the staff who will be working here, they will be responsible and they will work, they will run to find out for the need of this institution. Therefore, I want to request that because you have seen the electricity, even though we know that external electricity is still needed to be, the work need to be done, but luckily we have this electric pool here nearby this institute. Therefore, it will not cost that much because we have already had here. And the water also, you have seen that we are standing here, but there are water around us, so the water also not much problem. We can arrange temporarily. And fortunately, also the work is going on in full swing now.